We are Brother Bloggers, and today we are making fluffy slime. So these are the ingredients we will need. Glue, saline, and shaving foam. So we're going to put in the shaving foam first. Shake it up.
I think you forgot. It's slime that it's...
Okay, I think that's enough.
No, you need all of it.
Wait a minute. I just started stirring. Quite a bit of this. No measuring here. Perfect. Every single bit. Okay then. All of it.
Come on.
Come on, man. Alright, I guess that's it.
Come on. Start.
Yeah, this is turning out like slime.
Yeah.
Mason, do you need to put in some saline?
It's so sticky. It's not it's like too fluffy now.
It's not too covered. It's...
Looks like something you could play with.
It does.
Let's see what you got.
Oh,
Logan, I think you need more saline.
Nah.
It's too dry.
no.
Yeah, listen.
That definitely looks like something you could play with.
Oh.
How about you, Mason?
I'm still
How's
trying.
yours coming?
Oh, it didn't stick.
It turned pink. That'll be.
Mine's coming quite good, but I still have to...
Well, if you add red and white together, what does it make?
Pink.
And blue and red, it makes purple.
You're making a mess.
Yes, he is.
I was talking to you.
I was talking to you. I think I put a bit
yes,
too
I
much
am.
of this.
Nah. I'll make some more.
I need a bit of your red.
No.
Because I put too much of this in.
No way.
This is hilarious. We need food coloring. We need it. I need it. Ah.
More.
I don't think I did mine right.
Just pick it up. Pick it up.
Let's see. Continue stirring.
I'm just going to use my hands.
Now you can.
Logan, will you take my spoon? Wait.
Here.
Nah.
Wait.
Nah, ma.
Wait.
Nah. So sticky. It's amazing.
Well, you've got glue in the mixture, so I'm guessing it's gonna be sticky.
That's right. Forget the spoon.
So what's the consistency of yours now, Logan?
Let me grab this. Very slimy and
I'm eating it.
stretchy now. Very stretchy.
Okay.
I'm the human thingy. Am I even human?
So who needs toys when you've got shaving cream, glue, and saline solution, right?
Nobody.
Well, what's going to be our next project?
Don't know.
I already do. Oobleck.
No.
What?
No.
What?
Actual slime.
No, oobleck. This is
Okay.
actual slime. Oobleck's
No, this
slime.
is fluffy
No,
slime.
oobleck.
Oh.
God.
Oh, me.
This is awesome.
Yeah.
Thumbs up. More. Even more. I must make this stuff take over the world. I will give it a yes. Just use my hands. I don't really care.
Yeah. Get out.
It's so fluffy.
I know.
I was gonna
Oh,
give
it's
it.
cold.
His name is Steve. His name is Steve.
Wait, remember that weird sour stuff?
Yes.
And what was her name?
No.
Allie? She named it?
Yeah. No.
Ted?
Larry or Bob or something.
It was Larry, yeah.
So amazing. so fluffy and stretchy and sparkly.
I don't see any sparkles in mine.
And this is the leftovers. How we made this. It's so fun.
Wait,
You should totally
wait,
make this.
I need to put some of this on there.
10 out of 10, we'll make again.
Dad, I need. Oh, Dad, look.
God, it's so
Mine's like a blue sky.
a blue sky.
It is. It's like
It's
a blue sky
Squidward.
kind of color. Oh yeah, it's the color. It is the color.
Put a big
Squidward.
nose on it. Call it Squidward.
Very fluffy.
So this stuff will not stay forever unless it's put in a bag like this.
A Ziploc bag.
Yep, gallon. So
Let me do mine.
I'm going to do it and just stuff the thing in there.
Let the air out.
It's even fun to play with inside of a bag.
Let me see.
Release a corner,
Let me put
you
it
start
in.
to fold it up. Trust me, this stuff is fun.
Just corner.
And now it will last eternity, even after the world is nuked by the world.
Eternity slime.
No, maybe this is still fun. You can even use it for like a head. This is Brother Byers signing off.